Hello, hello, hello. All right, so what I want to do is I want to quick show you kind of how to play this BrainPOP game. It's a little confusing, but once you get going, you're going to kind of understand what we're doing. So we go to BrainPOP, and then you guys are going to go and hit play game. It's going to come up. My hint is you guys see the checkbox right here where it says show help windows? Click that because it's kind of confusing without that. All right, so I'm going to give you just basically kind of the overall outline of what you're going to do. So right here, it's basically this. You're going to sort the tiles into buckets, and you're going to drain one tile to start. So basically what you're going to be doing is you've got 2, 4, 6, 8 times 3 for you mathematicians, 24 tiles. 24 tiles that you're going to need to sort. And the idea is to score as many points as you can, and you have 9 of these buckets to do it in, okay? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pick one object, and I'm just going to look for things that are kind of connected. So you maybe think that amps and volts are connected. So maybe you're going to try to figure out, okay, can I come up with a category that could link those in? So I'm going to take amps, and I'm going to put it in the bucket, and then what's going to happen is we need to give it a label. So each thing that you see is worth a total number of points for as many things in this bucket that you can fit. So let's say that I am doing amps, I think I put in there. And I think it could fall under the direct current label. I'm going to click this, and I'm going to then put it in here. And what's going to happen is everything I then put in the bucket is going to give me a total of 2 points. All right, if you can see, the green says it sorts tiles. The purple, you're going to kind of form pairs, things that are connected, and this orange is change tile labels. So I'm going to do right here, and I'm going to say 120 volt device. I know that amps is not a 120 volt device, but I'm going to put it in there. And I'm just going to kind of keep adding things, right, that might be in there. So let's do a neutral slot, 9 volt battery. And once I get 3 things in there is I can go in and click the bucket. So I've got these items in here. So if these all fit in the 120 volt device, I can submit the bucket. And as you can see, I didn't. So I lost 3 points. So now my total is still 0 because whatever. Notice how those things did not go away. They are now back up onto my board. Once you get done, and let's say I take amps and whatever it is, and I get it where it's correct, okay? Actually, I don't want to give you guys any hints, so I'm going to have you do that. And basically, once you get it in there, build an AC. Let's see if I can do this one. All right, and I can put it in there. I'm going to submit my bucket. Right here is a tape, and so you can connect. Let me go back and add something else. Our voltage and coal burning. So now what I can do is I can connect this button and this one. So now they're taped together with this one. So I'd put it in order that I would like to do. And down here, you can see right here are the directions. So my hint, follow the directions. It may take you a couple of minutes to figure out what's going on. If you struggle the first time and you want to go back and do it again, cool, hit refresh, start over, go nuts. Okay, when you get done, look at that, I got some points. Yay! Okay, so now my total is at 9. All right, and notice those 2 things disappeared. Okay, I am down to 7 buckets to use the rest of these. Our goal is to get the highest score possible. All right, that is kind of the outline of this. Take time, have fun with it, and we'll see you soon.